Hi, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, Forever Vegan Inspo. I'm glad that you've been keeping up with me on this 12-day journey. Today, we are on day 11. Today, we're going to be talking about how to keep our immune systems at their optimum level, how to provide the necessary support for our immune systems. There are many factors that impact our immune system, but building blocks to keeping our immune system in its optimum health is ensuring, first and foremost, that you're getting enough sleep. Like we talked about on day 8, sleep is crucial. So we need to be getting between 7 to 8 hours per day restful sleep. Remember we said 2 hours before midnight is better than 2 hours after midnight. The next factor is making sure that we're topping up on our vitamin C. So we can do that in several ways. We can add more oranges to our diet, and not just oranges, but a variety of fruit and vegetables. But also rosehip is another excellent source of vitamin C, and it actually has 20 times more vitamin C than oranges. So make sure you top up on your vitamin C. The third point is, try to reduce the amount of fats that you're using, especially those unhealthy fats. And we need to, when we're cooking, ensure that we're measuring out the amount of oil that we're using when we're putting spread on our toast, or, maybe on our jacket potatoes. We can look at alternatives. We can look at using olive oil, drizzling that over our jacket potatoes, or even on our toast, using avocado, which is an excellent source of oil, has lots of beneficial oils in it. So yes, those are a couple of things that you could do. The next factor is be happy. Sometimes we underestimate the importance of a cheerful mind, because when we're cheerful, when we're happy, it actually releases that serotonin in our brains, which makes us happy. To start off with, have positive thoughts, think positive things. Sometimes just speak to yourself, just say that you are a beautiful child of God. Be positive about yourself. Speak positive words about other people. Surround yourselves with positive people who have a good impact and influence on your life. Listen to good music, read good books, get out there and do some exercise, because that also makes you feel happy. Spend time with family and friends, and also that can make you feel happy, having that company and that companionship. It's important to develop that sense of happiness and joy within. And I truly believe that God is the only source of our true joy and happiness. So again, I would say get acquainted with God, because truly He will make you happy, and give you happiness and peace that you've never experienced before. Today, it's very simple, very straightforward. Let's build our immune systems, and the 4 steps I've shared with you are very simple and straightforward, and I encourage you to start to make them part of your daily routine. You take care now, and God bless. See you on day 12. Bye.